video. We're currently biking right now. It's like a fun little summer activity to do and I love biking, but I'm dead. Like we went up like this big hill, so I'm exhausted. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now, but like look at the sunset. It's really windy. That's why I don't know if you guys can hear me.
Filming me one more time.
No.
Drain your legs.
My legs are already straight.
I love the nature, trees, sky.
Bro's going fast. No, say the OG.
No, bro.
Who's camera shy?
My babe.
No, say it. I'm gonna show you guys my night routine, and my dad's already left. Anyways, we're going home now. Obviously, I don't go biking every night, but I'm just gonna stop the camera because I'm driving. Okay, you guys, I finally made it back home. Why is Mel literally chasing after Mel? Crazy! She's got a little sass in her. I didn't do like a proper introduction, but you guys already know it's a night routine. So currently 8:43, so I definitely want to get ready for bed. Also, how cute is this outfit? I don't know if I like it or if I hate it, like these shorts, but I think they're cute. They're from Addicted. And then I have the sports bra underneath with this top that I literally got from TikTok shop. Like, how cute is the back of this? So cute for like workouts and stuff. It was like the perfect fit for biking, and I'm exhausted. We literally did 9 miles, which is crazy, but it was so nice because there was like so much wind. It felt like it was gonna rain, but it didn't even rain because there was some thunderstorm, but it was just the perfect weather. And now we're back home. I'm gonna shower. I can't do my whole night routine without showering first because that kind of just like winds me down for the night, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's go shower. Also, look at how cute this little frame that I got from Home Goods. It's so beachy and like so cute for summer. I haven't put it up on the wall, but on top of the dresser. I just thought I would show you guys because it's so summery and cute. I want to show you guys like what I use when I shower, like all the products because I haven't in a while. So let me just go in the bath and the shower. On wash hair days, I like to use the shampoo and conditioner, and then I like to use the Olay body wash. This stuff is so good and will make your skin feel so moisturized. And then I like to use this Hydro Rush by Amika, which is just a hair mask, and this will make your dead hair feel so much more alive. And then I also like this shaving cream, which is the EOS. Just love this one. I've stuck with this one for so long. And then I also use the detox shampoo before I put a shampoo on. Obviously this day I didn't wash my hair, but when I do, those are the things that I use. Shower, I like to use this body mist from Saltaire. Honestly, don't even know how to pronounce it, but a lot. I like to smell good when I wake up. Like, I just feel like this is a controversial topic because every time I talk about how I put perfume and deodorant, which is also from the same brand, people comment crazy things. But I don't know, I like smelling good, especially after the shower. Even though I use body wash, I'm already smelling good. Like, why not just smell extra good? It's just for me, guys. Like, also for deodorant, I use the scent Pink Beach and it smells so good. But yeah, can we talk about the PJs? Like, I'm obsessed with it. I've had it for about a year now and I'm still so obsessed with it. Like, as if I just got it yesterday in the mail. And it's just so comfy. Let me not gatekeep. That's from Aerie. I don't know if they still sell it because it's been a while, but it's so cute. It has like little cherries on them. I keep thinking they're hearts, but they're cherries. Anyways, now I'm gonna go make a snack. We did stop by my mom's house for a little bit, so we did have dinner there, but I do want to make an easy little snack, which has been my which has been my favorite easy thing to make, especially when I'm hungry late at night. I just dropped the blueberry and it went underneath the fridge. You gotta be kidding. Okay, no, I cannot see it. Ew, no, your butt. Move your booty. Nobody wants to see that. I swear, she would somehow get underneath the fridge and eat it. That was the most grossest thing ever. I need to clean underneath the fridge. Guys, look how cute this little fruit bowl is to like wash your fruits. Obviously strawberry, but we're putting blueberries in here. Okay, so here's how they turned out. I'm like obsessed with barks right now, but basically you just put it in the freezer and then it freezes up and then you can have them like little bars. I don't know how to explain it. It's just so good. So we're just gonna add that in the freezer for like 2 hours and 3 hours. I don't even have space. I have to figure that out. No, but seriously, you guys, I've been so obsessed with making these barks. So as you guys saw, I made the blueberry one, but I also made a matcha one, and this one came out not the cutest, but I made like a recipe video on my TikTok, and the other ones looked good. It's just I ran out of the matcha powder, but this thing, so good. I'm actually gonna have this instead of the blueberry one. The blueberry one's just gonna stay in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours, and obviously I'm gonna go to sleep. But I have these that I made all the other nights, but it's basically just yogurt with strawberry and then the matcha powder with white chocolate. It's just really hard, so I'm gonna keep that in there out of the freezer. I'm pretty much doing this almost every night. It's like my new summer night routine. Well, part of my summer night routine is making something new every night. It's like a fun little thing to do. You know, these are so easy to make. I'll have this recipe one down below. Removing my makeup and everything. First of all, I grab cotton rounds, and then I like to use the micellar cleansing water. This stuff is so good. It removes my makeup so well. You guys can tell I'm running out, but I've been using this for years now. First, I remove my mascara, and then I remove all of my makeup. Being able to rub my eye at the end of the day just feels so good. The best feeling ever. The difference without mascara is crazy. I love mascara so much. Like, it just makes my face look so much more awake. Like, I look like a zombie also. Once I remove my makeup, I like to go in with the cleanser to like fully remove my makeup. Make sure like all the dirt, excess, and all that stuff is off my face. So I use the Ice Wash by Tatcha, and this like really exfoliates my skin. That's why I like it so much, because it has like these beads in it. I don't know how to explain it, but I try to rub it really in my skin to like make sure it's all off my face. I look crazy. Don't take my advice with skincare, because I'm definitely not a professional, but I like to use the Rhode Blazing Milk, and I just put this all over my face. I've been using this stuff for a while, and I feel like it definitely makes my skin a lot more softer and glowy. Like, guys, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks so glowy. And then I like to go in with the moisturizer by Tatcha. I did get like a full PR from them, so that's why I'm using a lot of their stuff. I don't like going it to waste. And genuinely, I've been eyeing Tatcha for so long, but they're so expensive. So I'm so happy that I was able to like try it out, and I definitely love this moisturizer so much. Like, super lightweight and not like too much on the skin when I go to sleep. Like, this is exactly how I want my skin to feel like when I'm gonna go to sleep. Like, it's just so refreshing, especially taking off the makeup. Probably one of my best parts of my nights, because it just feels so good. And then lastly, I like to go in with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. I just spray some of this on my face like this, and this just gives like an extra refreshing moment for my skin. I don't know. Definitely don't take my word when it comes to skincare, because I just do what works best with my skin. And then I also like to do self tanning. Obviously I tan enough in the summertime, but sometimes my face just doesn't get the same type of tan on my skin and on my face. My face looks so pale. So this is the Dulce, I don't even know how to pronounce brands, but it's this contour stick, and I just put this where I would usually contour on my face, and I just use like a makeup brush that doesn't have any makeup on it, and I rub this all in my face. I try to do this like 2 times a week right before I go to sleep, and I have like a tanned face and I feel so much better. Tonight I want to use an eye patch. This stuff is so refreshing underneath my eye. I'm using the one by Pixie, and it's just a toning eye patch. But now you guys got down the skincare routine of me. After I'm done with all that, I'm just gonna brush my teeth. I first floss. I love this Cocoa Lab flosser that I got from Amazon recently. So I just make sure to do that first, and then I just brush my teeth. Like, just hygienic stuff. Honestly, everybody does every night. This isn't gonna look cute, so I'm just gonna do this off camera. There's a piece of hair. Finished journaling, and basically just talked about my day, like looking back in the future. I've talked about this a million times, so I'm not even gonna talk about it, but I do that every night. Not every night, but when nights when I feel like really overwhelmed and I just want to write it down in a journal instead of talk to somebody about it. Sometimes nobody wants to listen to my rants, and I don't want anybody to listen to my rants, so I just like write it down, and it's like therapeutic for me. Today I had like a pretty good day, so I just wrote about my day so I can look back one day. Now I'm gonna read. One of my goals this summer was to read more, especially now that I have more time on my hands. I also did take a break from YouTube for like 3 weeks, so I've just been like taking care of myself. I have been posting on TikTok, so you guys can go follow me on there. I haven't been like completely MIA, but definitely on YouTube I've taken a break, and I feel like it's more because I just don't have motivation since my content has been really repetitive, and I've been like struggling with video ideas. So taking a little break from YouTube has helped me a lot with motivation, and I definitely missed picking up the camera and vlogging and talking to you guys. Like, it literally felt weird picking up the camera, but I just decided randomly today to like pick it up while biking, and it was so much fun, and I'm so so glad I like vlogged it. Also, this is your sign if you want to start YouTube, start it, especially during the summertime. That's when I started it, when I was like literally in elementary school, and it's such a fun little hobby thing to do, and I love filming, and being able to motivate you guys literally makes me so happy. And it's crazy how we're literally about to hit 1 million, but how is that even happening? Like, that's crazy. I remember when I literally just hit 100,000 subscribers in my freshman year of high school. If you guys remember, you guys remember. It's crazy. I could cry thinking about it. But anyways, I've been reading this book called Person in Progress, and since I'm in my 20s, which is crazy, I've been reading this book, and it's like a psychology book of your 20s, so it kind of like guides you, and I've been loving it. I literally read it last time tanning in the pool, and it's just so therapeutic. I don't know, I think the one thing with me, I like love reading books, but it's mainly books that are just like self-improvement. If it's anything else, I don't like reading like stories and stuff. Maybe at one point I will, but I definitely just love reading improvement books. Like literally any advice that I get on life, I will take. And I feel like going into your 20s is such a weird thing. Like, it literally feels like I'm going through my teenage phase again, where I'm trying to discover my style, literally everything, and it's so weird. So I feel like reading books like this is definitely so helpful. If you're in your 20s, definitely recommend this book. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking because I feel like I'm talking a lot, and I'm just gonna read this. I don't like reading for too long. I'll probably just read one chapter, and that takes me like 20 minutes. Finished reading, and I forgot to take these eye patches off, so I'm gonna just take them off. And I guess the last extra things that I do before I go to sleep is I like to use this body serum stick, and it's by Paulichi. Here we go again with the pronunciation. This kind of helps me relax in a way. I don't know, I feel like the scent is so relaxing, so I just put this like all over my body, basically my neck, my wrist, and then my other wrist. I just love the smell of this. I think it has, yeah, it has lavender, so apparently lavender helps with relaxing and just sleeping in general, so I definitely am obsessed with that smell. I literally have room spray that I spray every morning, not even just to go to sleep, but to make the bed smell even better. And I like to use this lip sleeping mask by Tatcha. As you can tell, I got a lot of things sent by Tatcha, but I love them, so I'm gonna use it. My lips get chapped really easily, so I just use this lip sleeping mask. I also like the one by Lonnie H, I think that's what it's called, and I also recommend the Aquaphor. That one is for like severe dry lips. I also remove all of my rings because sometimes I forget to take them off, and I don't like sleeping with them. Bracelets are so hard to like take off and on, so I just leave that on. And then I just take off my earrings. These are so uncomfortable to sleep with, and I'm honestly so scared of my bowl being like dragged or something. I don't know, it's like one of my worst fears. I used to use hoop earrings so much, and then it just dragged it so much, and now I'm like not wanting it to be dragged anymore. And then I put my ultra human ring on, which like tracks my sleep and all that stuff. Obsessed with it. I only wear it at night now because I kind of want something less thick on my hand, because guys, this looks super thick, but it's super comfy to sleep with. I definitely recommend it if you guys are like looking into it. And if you guys have seen the Aura ring, I definitely recommend this one more, just because there's like no subscription. It tracks your sleep, it tracks your cycle, it tracks if you're stressed or stimulated or any of that. So I'm like obsessed with it, and I have a discount, so you guys can go check it out in the description if you guys are interested. This isn't sponsored, but I just love it so much. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I'm just gonna go to sleep now, and my battery's dying, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.